September 21st, card opening. Got some more packs to open up. Some decent opening there last time. Started Japan. I got a 2 number cards. Lewis, Robert, and Gavin Sheets. Get something good from Heritage here. It's tough pulls to get good cards from here. Haven't pulled any numbered or variations so far. Last time we had a black and white, a chrome, a variation, and a relic. This was a good box last time. High numbers are rookie. I'll go into high number rookies. The other high numbers I don't know if I will. Okay, for a debut. Maybe 1 auto left. A nice blue one right back there. You can say Million Tortino. Oh, there he is. Let's learn a little bit about him. 4th round, 2020. I don't know anything about him. Jared Kelenic. Bobby Witt. I didn't get many number cards out here that I thought we would. Anyway, Thomas Japan. See. Mookie Betts 87. Leo Cruz and Marcus Simeon. Cooled off a little bit after those first 2. Chrome, we have not pulled our auto yet. Imagine it's coming soon because I think we're a little over halfway to the box now. Evan Longoria, Kyle Tucker, Araya the Green, Paul Goldschmidt. I don't know how Goldie's doing this year. And last pack for the day. Chris Bryant, Jazz Chisholm Refractor, James Outman, Joy Mensis. Jazz Chisholm is the refractor. Oh, nothing big this time. But that's how it happens. You all take care.